Hey, what's up guys? I'm just out here trying to find an internet connection because I'm taking my Part 107 drone certification test in about 30 minutes. I wanted to study a little bit right before going in, but I guess there's no reliable internet connection out here. So I'm walking around trying to find one. If not, I'll just have to do my best and remember all the information. But I did some studying already. Watched all the videos on YouTube, all the popular ones, and took some practice tests. So I think I should be good, but a little nervous. But we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know how I do it after I get out. So there's the address. I'll be going into a little door right over here and hopefully taking the test and passing. Need a 70%. 60 questions. I did a lot of studying in the last 2, 3, 4 days, so hopefully it pays off. So I won't be able to take my phone in. I won't even be able to take that in. So I'm just gonna have to do my best to remember. Right now I'm just going, over in my head all the stuff I learned, all the numbers, airspace, the classes, class A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all that stuff, the rules. I think I'll do all right. I usually do pretty good on tests, and like they say, there's only 3 choices on each answer, and so process of elimination and just choose the best answer. So I'm about to go in about 10 minutes, and when I come back you'll know if I passed or not. All right, later. Okay, so I'm back. Wow, I didn't do as good as I thought I would. I studied everything on YouTube, but I passed, which is the good news, but I got a 78. So you need a 70 to pass. My advice to you guys is study those sectional charts, the maps. There was tons and tons of questions about the different codes on the maps and airports, and I would really spend more time studying that because I didn't spend enough time studying that, and I probably missed a lot of those questions. But I did enough to pass, so hopefully I can now fly my drone for any type of commercial purpose or any type of compensation. I feel a little bit of relief with that. So yeah, all in all, glad I got it done. I didn't have to retake it, and yeah, if you guys have any questions about the test or anything, just let me know. But I'll post all the links of the videos I watched, studying those maps, sectional charts, airport codes and all this stuff, radio frequencies, all that kind of stuff is what you're really going to want to know. All right, well, I'm going to go get a run in, but I'll see you guys next time. Later.